I make a short video, Charles here. They're eating. They got them eating some kibble now. I'm getting them used to this hard food now. But yeah, here they are, all interacting. They all interact good. We don't have no bullies. They all seem to get along good, unlike most siblings. They're doing good, Charles. Yeah, it's lunchtime. Well, Mama's gonna help out. Come on now. That's for the kids. All right, Charles. I can't make it too long of a video, or it won't send. So there you go. I make you a little partial video here. You can see they're all getting along fine. All right, Charles, I'm going to go ahead and end this and send it off to you. You have a good day, and I'll see you soon. I know the grandkids are getting anxious, but tell them they'll have to learn some patience. All right, have a good day. Bye.